the word nityam also applies to these positive and negative feelings. Nitya bhav. You've heard of nitya seva, nitya subhav, nitya bhada, nitya mukta. So our intensity of our loving conjugal mood towards Krishna must be nityam, all the time. As I mentioned, with Kans. Kans was nitya bhayam. Nitya bhayam bhav. 24/7 popular term. Day and night he was absorbed in fear. Bhayam. The bhav, the mood, fear. When will that boy come? As I mentioned, through the sky, through the land, through the water. How, when, where, what time will he come and kill me? It is destined. The Akashvani said, Kans, the 8th son of Devaki, will kill you. But Vasudeva tricked me. It appeared to be a daughter, and he took away the son and hid him in Gokul. Now, but he was always, and that pastime is told by Jiva Goswami, I mentioned before, that Kansa was so much fearful of Krishna and his brother Balaram, because they're always together, but especially Krishna, because Krishna was predicted to kill him. But he was always with Balaram, and Balaram is very powerful and strong. So even if Kansa tries to eliminate his adversary, his enemy, his arch enemy Krishna, then Krishna's not walking around alone. He's with Subal on one side and Balaram on the other side. Subal, Balaram, very strong contenders, powerful coward boys. Balaram, he killed Pralamba Sura. Pralamba Sura means very powerful. Pralamba. Just polished him off like a fig. Nothing. Just a love tap. Gave him a love tap and liberated him. A liberating love tap. And he can't catch this Krishna alone. He's always in Sangha. If you're in Sangha, you can't get knocked off. Even Krishna always moves in Sangha with his friends. Although he individually demolishes the demons.